Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's bad news for anyone who's lactose intolerant. Normally, fresher cheeses contain more lactose, but Velveeta defies all logic. Averaging at 9.3%, it has even more lactose than real cheese. Cheddar usually maxes out around 2.1%.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cheese Whiz is a popular substitute for Velveeta cheese. It's a soft mixture that is warmed and placed in hot macaroni, creamy soups, or vegetables. This processed cheese melts nicely and is a close substitute for Velveeta cheese. It's perfect for sandwiches, dips, and snacks.
Take our lead.
If by chance you are referring to the macaroni and cheese products marketed under both Kraft blue boxes and Velveeta yellow boxes, then I would have to say the Velveeta brand is better, having a more consistent flavor and texture.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
5 answers. If you want the smoothness of melted processed cheese, but not the extra trouble of making your own, you can use processed cheese in other flavors such as Swiss, sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, and pepper jack. Just to name a few. Another option is canned or jarred processed cheeses in various flavors.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
By the FDA's standards, Kraft isn't permitted to refer to singles as cheese, because this word indicates that a product is made with at least 51% real cheese. This is why the label reads, pasteurized prepared cheese product. Typically, the fewer ingredients a food contains, the healthier that food tends to be.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Originally Velveeta was made from real cheese. Today, it's mainly whey protein concentrate, milk protein concentrate, milk, fat, and preservatives. By the Food and Drug Administration standards, that's not real cheese, which is why the FDA forced Kraft to change its label from cheese spread to cheese product.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.